This also means that we can really tailor the materials to the specific application that we want. And in this way, we can outperform metals in fire resistance, in strength, in weight.
Hi Ángel.
Hi Marín.
In our last video, we saw that according to our new sustainability standards, we're looking into new materials to make our containers lighter. So aluminium is quite light and also 100% recyclable. Why are we looking for new materials?
Yeah, indeed. Aluminium is a great material. That's why most ULDs are made of aluminium primarily. So it's relatively cheap, relatively lightweight, it's easy to work with, it's fire resistant, it's recyclable. However, there are instances where we can use different materials. We can substitute the aluminium by something lighter that will fulfill the same purpose, but have more desirable properties.
Okay. So what options do you have?
Well, if you want to keep the properties similar to aluminium but have something lighter, you might want to look into titanium, but that's quite expensive. At the moment, we're looking into fiber-based solutions to replace aluminium.
And what makes these materials so interesting?
Well, when I talk about fiber-based solutions, we're talking about textiles and composites primarily. They behave really different to metals, and they're made from a combination of materials typically, which makes them very customizable. This also means that we can really tailor the materials to the specific application that we want. And in this way, we can outperform metals in fire resistance, in strength, in weight.
Yeah, I understand that strength is very important and weight, of course. But what else do you look for in new materials?
So it's always about the combination of properties. Every material has pros and cons. You want your product to be lightweight, to be strong, to be recyclable, fire resistant. You want everything, but it always ultimately comes down to the requirements. What is it that we need? We search what is out there and we try to find always the best option.
What about fire resistancy and recyclability? How do they fit in here?
When you're looking for fire resistant materials, there's plenty of them which are inherently fire resistant, but usually you don't have that one only requirement. If you want, for instance, your material to be recyclable, this is quite hard to get. Most materials are recycled by melting, and well, that kind of disqualifies them for fire resistance applications.
When it comes to sustainability, what is the difference that you make by doing this research?
Well, by finding new materials, we are creating some interesting innovations that are allowing us to make better and more sustainable products.